Welcome back to Stoy Crypto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin stamps on STAMPED.NINJA. Specifically, I'm looking for sub 100, so I'm going to click on this. And this will show me all the sub 100 stamps, but I need to see what is actually available for purchase, so I'm going to click on sale. So out of the 100 stamps, this is what's available for purchase. Most of these are one of ones, so if you hover over this, you'll see stamp number 1 and then supply 1, right? And you can see that the price on sub 100 stamps is pretty high, right? So I can't afford that, so I'm gonna look for one with a supply a little bit bigger. So let's look at this BOBO. Let's hover over this one. Stamp number 29, supply 300. What I also like is it had 3 airdrops, and that it has done some volume, 142,000. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on BOBO. So when analyzing stamps, obviously I like to first look at what the stamp number is. How many sales have there been? There's been 204. And then if you scroll through this, you can see that the latest sale was on December 31st. And then you can scroll through and see the price history and the sale history to get an idea of sort of what it's traded at. So you get an idea before you decide to make a purchase. None of this is financial advice. Please do your own research. So if we scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see the first sale on this one was on April 1st, 2023. Next, I like to scroll down and look at total supply is 300, right? So there's not that many of them for being a stamp number 29. And then the holder count is 170, so it's pretty well distributed. So I like that. And then if we scroll down, you'll see here the open dispensers, meaning these are the ones that you can purchase. The floor being 562. I also like to look at what collections, or if they are in any collections. So this one is in multiple collections, the main one being BOBO by Reagan. And then if you go all the way to the bottom, you'll see that there's been 3 airdrops for this one. And you can click on that. So let's open this one, for example. So you can see that this one was airdropped and there's already been 16 sales on it. That's the total volume and price from the airdrops if you're to own BOBO. So I like to look at that. So for me, this one checks a lot of boxes just because it's early stamp. It's still within reach in terms of price and there's volume on it. So to purchase stamps on STAMPED.NINJA, you can use Leather or NinjaWallet, which is what I'm using. So if I click on NinjaWallet, you can see I already have some Bitcoin in there, and you can send your Bitcoin to your NinjaWallet by clicking on receive. And then just copy your address and send it from whatever wallet you have Bitcoin in, or a centralized exchange like Coinbase. Again, I've done my research on this one. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and I'm going to go ahead and just click on the floor one and click buy now. It will open my STAMPED.NINJA wallet. It'll give me the total price. I'm going to click on buy. It's going to ask you to confirm. You're about to buy this at this cost. Go ahead and click confirm. You'll see success, broadcasting successful, and then go ahead and click on mempool. So this is where you can monitor the transaction and wait for it to be confirmed. I'll go ahead and pause the video and be back after it's confirmed. All right, so we have a couple confirmations in the mempool. Let's go back to STAMPED.NINJA. So then if we go to settings, view my profile, you can see that BOBO is in the wallet and we successfully have purchased it. If you ever wanted to sell it, you could go to NinjaWallet, and there it is in the wallet. You click on actions and sell, and then you can set the price, click estimate and broadcast if you want to open a dispenser to sell it. So if this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Bitcoin Stamp, SRC-20, and crypto tutorials. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.